Hi everyone, this is Dawn with DEK Designs, and I'm coming at you with new releases for the week. This is our Christmas in July week, and we have 4 new kits. So let's start with Jolly. This is a reformat of a kit from 2019. And here are the full boxes. It's in light gold foil. And it does come with Fashion Girls and your clear date dots. And this is the washi and the date covers. And in your half boxes, your work deco and scallops and flags, your checklist, your script, habit trackers sidebar, and your script headers, glitter headers, weekend banner, 3 heart flags, and 3 page flags. And then this is the Hobonichi Cousin Kit. This is the first page, and this is the second page. So this kit is Jolly, and it's in light gold foil, and it's here in our shop for new releases for the week for Christmas in July. These kits will only stay in the shop for the week. So that is Jolly. The next kit is Farmhouse Christmas. And this as well has light gold foil. And these are your full boxes. And your matching date dots. Your washi. And your date covers, and your layering pieces, your half boxes, scallops, deco, work labels, flags, 3 heart checklists, sidebar, clipboards, habit trackers and script, your headers, glitter headers, weekend banner, 3 heart flags, and then the Hobonichi Cousin Kit. This is page 1 and page 2. So this kit is called Farmhouse Christmas, and it features light gold foil. The next kit is called Holiday Style, and it's silver hollow foil, and these are the full boxes. This is a new kit, new to the shop this year, as well as the farmhouse. This is a new design that I did just this past week. So Holiday Style, silver hollow foil, your matching clear date dots. It does come with Fashion Girls in their PJs, and your washi and date covers, label pieces, or not label, layer pieces, your flags, scallops, work labels, and deco. I think the puppies in here are so cute, and I love this little Cheers deco sticker. The half boxes, glitter headers, script headers, weekend banner, flags, 3 heart checklist, sidebar, clipboards, script and habit trackers, and then your Hobonichi Cousin Kit. This is the first page and the second page. So this is holiday style silver hollow foil for our Sunday specials. $13 with the foil, $10 without. And this will, all of the Christmas in July kits will only be in the shop this week, and they will not be coming back to the shop. And then the last new release for Christmas in July is called Christmas in July. And it's gold hollow foil. These are your full boxes. Your matching clear date dots. The Fashion Girls. And I think they're just adorable. Rushing to get their Christmas presents. Your washi. Date covers, layer pieces, half boxes, flags, scallops, work labels, and deco. Your 3-heart checklist, sidebar, clipboards, habit trackers, and script. Let's go through the script really quick. Payday, errands, plan, laundry, tidy up, Target run, shopping list, hump day, and movie night. And then your script headers, glitter headers, weekend banner, page flags, and checklist flags. This does come with a Hobonichi Cousin kit, but I must have forgot to print it off. It's been kind of crazy around here. We went a day without power, and things just kind of got out of whack. But it really sets your whole schedule off when you lose that much time in your production that you had planned. So, but I'm glad we got our power back and we're able to get Christmas in July up. And thank you for watching. If you like any of these kits, now's the time to pick them up because they will not be coming back to the shop. Have a fabulous Sunday, and we will see you soon.